In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade Forex with MT5 in Pocket Option. Easy walkthrough. First, open your browser and search for a Pocket Option. Use the official website and check the address bar for the secure lock icon so you know you're in the right place. Once you're on the site, sign into your account as you normally would. Keep your credentials private, and if you have two-factor authentication enabled, go ahead and use it for extra security. Before you place any trades, confirm that your account has funds available. If you're just practicing, switch to the built-in demo balance so you can follow along risk-free. The interface is identical, which makes it perfect for learning without pressure. From the main dashboard, click Trading to open the platform. Next, select Forex MT5. This loads the MetaTrader 5 environment inside Pocket Option. Make sure you're on the correct account type at the top, real for live funds or demo for practice. For this walkthrough, I'll be using the demo account so you can replicate the steps exactly. Now choose a currency pair to trade. Popular choices include EURUSD or GBPJPY. Pick a pair you recognize and pay attention to the spread and current market session, since volatility and costs can vary throughout the day. When your chart loads, take a minute to analyze the market. Adjust the time frame to match your plan, zoom in and out to see the recent trend, and add any indicators you prefer, such as moving averages or RSI. You can also draw simple support and resistance levels to visualize where price has reacted before. If big economic news is scheduled, be cautious. Spreads can widen and price can move quickly. When you're ready, decide on direction. If you expect price to rise, click buy. If you expect it to fall, click sell. Before confirming, set your position size carefully and add a stop loss and a take profit. The stop loss defines where you'll exit if the market moves against you, and the take profit locks in gains at your target. These tools help you manage risk and avoid emotional decisions. A helpful rule is to keep risk per trade small, so one loss doesn't derail your account. After the order is open, monitor the trade in real time. You'll see the live profit and loss, entry price, and current price on the chart and in the terminal. You can adjust your stop loss and take profit as the market evolves to protect profits or reduce risk. Keep an eye on margin usage as well, so you don't overexpose your account during volatile moves. Finally, you can close the trade manually at any time with a single click, or let it close automatically when it hits your stop loss or take profit. That's the full workflow. Log in, fund or use demo, open MT5, choose a pair, analyze, place the trade, monitor and close. Trade responsibly and practice on demo until your process feels consistent.